Let's make a delicious turmeric carrot soup. You're going to start by cooking the carrots until they are soft. Then you are going to blend them with a little bit of salt. Then you're going to saute minced garlic and a little bit of olive oil, and when it is brown, you're going to add the turmeric. Then you are going to add the blended carrots, add a little bit of water, stir it and bring it to a boil. And that's it, your turmeric carrot soup is ready. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here in my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.